What a beautiful place. And also, did you observe what I did? The sky changed its color through the day. Hold on. Let me just rewind. See that the sky is all blue in color. From then on, the sun started to set and now it's red. What is happening? Why does the sky change its color at sunset? Well, for that, first we must understand what gives sky its color. There are three components that make the sky appear blue during the day. Well, to explain this better, I have to play God for a while. The first component that makes us feel that way is the all-glowing sun, the bright sun that's there. Then, the second component is the Earth and its atmosphere. And the third, whoa, that's huge. The third component is the human eye. So, the sun, the Earth's atmosphere, and the human eye has a role to play for us to actually perceive the blue-colored sky. Let's understand this further. Let me just not take the eye, but the Earth there. So now you see that the sun's light is white in color. And what is the sun's light composed of? It's composed of 7 colors. Don't believe me? Well, let me prove that to you. I'll get the prism there. See, the white light is entering the prism, and what comes out are 7 different colors of light. Each color of light has its own wavelength, and this wavelength is the longest for red, and the wavelengths keep decreasing all the way up to violet. These different wavelengths of light now enter the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere has molecules of gases of nitrogen and oxygen in abundance. These tiny nitrogen and oxygen molecules act like obstacles in the way of light. The light waves bounce off these molecules and get scattered. Like you can see, the shorter wavelengths get scattered a lot more than the longer wavelengths of light. For instance, blue, indigo, and violet, which have shorter wavelengths, get scattered in all directions compared to the reds, oranges, and yellows, which are colors of light that have comparatively longer wavelength. So they scatter less than the shorter wavelength. The thickness of the atmosphere is just right to make sure that the scattered rays don't scatter away but reach our eyes from all directions, making the sky appear blue in color. Well, I know you're astute and you're asking another question. Why does the sky appear blue and not indigo or violet during the day? Well, to answer this, I need the last part to come into the picture, the human eye. Now, let me just take a cross-section. Whoa. See, the human eye has specialized cells called cones for detecting color. Cones are more sensitive to blue color than they are to violet or indigo. Now, we have enough information to answer our original question. Why does the sky change color at sunset? During the day, the sun is directly above our heads. Like you've already seen, sunlight travels a certain distance through the atmosphere, and the blue light gets scattered and is caught by the eye. But during sunset, the sun is a lot lower in the sky, and sunlight has to travel through a lot more of the atmosphere. It means that it has to travel a lot longer to reach our eyes. While traveling all this distance, the blues and the violet waves are scattered away such that they can't even reach our eyes. Hence, the light that reaches our eye is devoid of the blues and the violets. What does that mean? What is left? Well, the oranges and the reds, of course. So, now you understand what makes the sky appear orange and sometimes red in color. This gives us iconically beautiful photographic red sunsets.
For more really cool content like this and for more really cool learning like this, download Byju's the Learning app.